In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply voucher code in Lazada. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently use your discount and see the savings reflected before you pay. Begin by opening the Lazada app on your phone or head to the Lazada website in your browser. The experience is very similar on both, so choose whichever you prefer. Next, browse for the items you want and add them to your cart. Take a moment to confirm details like size, color, and quantity so the correct products go in. When you're ready, tap or click the cart icon to review what you've added. Here, you can remove items you don't need or adjust quantities if necessary. If your cart has multiple products, select the ones you actually want to check out right now. This helps make sure the voucher applies only to the items you intend to purchase. Once your selection looks good, tap Checkout to move to the checkout page. This is where you'll apply your voucher. Depending on your region and whether you're on the app or the website, you'll see a section labeled Voucher, Promo Code, or Lazada Voucher. They all serve the same purpose, so don't worry if the name is slightly different. Tap, select, or enter code. If you already have a code, type it carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces and that the characters are correct. Codes are often case-sensitive and time-limited, so double-check the details if you have them. If you don't have a specific code, you can choose from any available vouchers shown to you. Lazada sometimes displays vouchers that match your cart or current promotions, and selecting one from that list is often the easiest way to apply a discount without manual typing. After entering your code or choosing a voucher, tap Apply. Give it a moment to process. If the voucher is valid for the items in your cart, the discount will automatically be deducted from your total, and you'll see the updated price right away. This confirmation is important. It tells you the voucher has been properly recognized. If nothing changes or you get an error, review the voucher's terms such as minimum spend, category restrictions, or expiration date. Adjusting your cart to meet the voucher's conditions can help, or try a different code if one is available. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll know exactly where to enter your Lazada voucher and how to confirm the savings before you proceed. Happy shopping and enjoy the discount.